Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Nurul Nasuha binti Muhammad Raffi and I'm from class AS2011A. In this video, I will talk about viruses and bacteria such as their similarities and differences. Viruses are submicroscopic organisms that exist almost everywhere on the earth. They have abilities to infect animals, plants, fungi, and even bacteria. Their structure consists of genetic material, RNA or DNA, surrounded by a coat of protein, lipid or glycoprotein. Viruses cannot replicate without a host, so they are classified as parasites. Bacteria, on the other hand, are microscopic unicellular organisms that are millions in number and exist both inside and outside other organisms. Bacterial cells are different from plant and animal cells. Bacteria are prokaryotes, which means they have no nucleus. Bacteria are often portrayed as bad, but there are many that are useful. For example, bacteria are needed to make antibiotics and very useful to make food such as cheese, bread, and vinegar. Now that we get a bit about both bacteria and viruses, I will tell you about the similarities and the differences between them. Viruses and some bacteria are similar because they both can cause diseases. Diseases caused by viral infections are influenza, measles, AIDS, and COVID-19, while for bacteria are pneumonia, tuberculosis, tetanus, and food poisoning. They also have microscopic size and contain both DNA and enzymes, but lack of nucleus. Some viruses and bacteria can be beneficial. For example, viruses are used in chemical engineering and bacteria in the food industry. However, they also have differences. For example, viruses are not living organisms, but bacteria are. Viruses only grow and reproduce inside a living host, and will invade and take over the cell machinery, redirecting it to produce their kind, while bacteria are living organisms that are unicellular, which can generate energy by making their own food, move, and also reproduce commonly by binary fission. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. Today, the world is fighting with pandemic COVID-19, which has killed many lives. How they are different from the virus? In this part, I will tell you about their differences. COVID-19 and the flu are caused by different viruses. COVID-19 is caused by a new coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2, while influenza is caused by influenza A and B viruses. COVID-19 symptoms generally appear 2 to 14 days after exposure, while for the flu symptoms, they usually appear about 1 to 4 days after exposure. COVID-19 appears to be more contagious and spread more quickly than the flu. Severe illness such as lung injury is more frequent with COVID-19 than with flu. The rate of mortality also is higher. These are the things that you can do to protect yourself from diseases caused by bacteria or viruses. Wash your hands properly, avoid touching your face, nose and eyes, stay at home, keep all immunization up to date, prepare and store your food properly, and educate yourself about different kinds of infectious diseases. That's all for today. Thank you.